we're on the street of Ibadan, you know, to do our charity work as usual. You know, there are thousands of people here in Nigeria that can't even afford to eat per day. Some eat whatever they see. So we are going out of the street of Ibadan now to, you know, to at least give people food and all that. Something like this. So we are going out with this to give the people that are hungry on the street. So there's a saying that so if you see anybody on the street and you have more than enough, please help give the person whatever you have. People ain't love it. And lolly, how many come? Okay. Mo fẹ́ ní kí n fún ní ilé ìgbẹ́ bá mi kí ra nǹkan ẹ̀yìn lolly àbí mà. Mi gbọ́. Ok, ilé àdúrà lẹ ti ń bọ̀. Ìdí lẹ ti wò. Àmì màmá. Àmì màmá. Ẹ bá wa fi ra nǹkan. Ẹ ṣé gan mà. Ẹ ṣé màmá. Àmì Jésù.